Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Focus versus a Ferrari. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique and determine which might be better depending on your needs. This isn't just about speed. It's about purpose, practicality, and passion. Let's dive into the key differences right away. When it comes to raw performance, the differences are dramatic. A Ford Focus is designed for efficiency, offering adequate power for daily driving. In contrast, a Ferrari is engineered for extreme speed and agility, delivering breathtaking acceleration and top speeds that few cars can match. It's a clear distinction in engineering philosophy.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of staying cool under pressure, whether you're driving a Focus or a Ferrari, staying hydrated is key. Quick recommendation, check out the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold on the go. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Beyond performance, practicality and cost are major factors. A Ford Focus is an affordable car to buy and maintain, offering great fuel efficiency for everyday commutes. A Ferrari, however, represents a substantial investment with high purchase prices and specialized, costly maintenance. Your budget and daily usage heavily influence this choice. The driving experience itself is worlds apart. The Ford Focus offers a reliable and comfortable journey, perfect for errands or road trips. A Ferrari, on the other hand, delivers an adrenaline-pumping, visceral experience, coupled with an opulent interior and the undeniable prestige of owning a supercar. It's about the feeling each car evokes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.